5 Best TKL Keyboard. Are you searching for the best TKL keyboard to upgrade your gaming or work setup? TKL, or tankless keyboards, skip the number pad, giving you more desk space for mouse movement, making them ideal for gamers and compact workspaces alike. Whether you're traveling between rooms or switching desks in an office, these compact keyboards offer both portability and performance. In today's video, we're highlighting the top 5 TKL keyboards, breaking down their standout features to help you choose the one that best fits your needs. 1. Corsair K70 Core RGB, best for all-around gaming and typing. First up is the Corsair K70 Core RGB, a tankless mechanical keyboard built for both speed and comfort. It features Corsair's pre-lubed MLX Red V2 linear switches, which are smooth and stable, ideal for both fast gaming and quiet, accurate typing. This board includes dual sound dampening layers to reduce key noise and enhance typing acoustics, giving you that premium mechanical feel without the clatter. Its RGB lighting is uniquely amplified with a Fresnel lens under each key for a vivid, glowing effect. With a 1000 Hz polling rate, it ensures ultra-responsive input, making it a strong choice for competitive players. Priced at around $80, it delivers premium features without a hefty price tag. 2. Glorious GMMK3, best for customization and build quality. Next is the Glorious GMMK3, a beautifully constructed aluminum TKL keyboard designed for customization enthusiasts. Its hot swappable PCB allows you to change out switches easily, no soldering required. You can mix and match switch types to create your perfect layout. The CNC aluminum body gives it a sturdy, premium feel, while the south-facing RGB layout makes for brighter, more immersive lighting effects. It supports both wired and wireless use, and includes a gasket mount design for softer keystrokes and dampened sound. While its software interface is a bit clunky and wireless battery life could be better, it's a top-tier option for users who love building their ideal setup. 3. Keyron V3 Max, best for multi-device workflows. If you need a keyboard that can switch between multiple devices, the Keyron V3 Max is made for you. It offers 3 connection modes: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired. Paired with Keyron's Smooth K Pro switches and durable double-shot PBT keycaps, the typing experience is as reliable as it is comfortable. The RGB lighting is subtle but effective, and the 1000 Hz wireless polling rate ensures lag-free input for gaming or productivity. Although it doesn't support hot swapping, the V3 Max's build quality and up to 70-hour battery life make it a strong pick for remote workers or developers needing fast device switching. 4. Logitech Gro X, best for competitive gaming. If you prioritize speed and precision, the Logitech Gro X is an outstanding wireless mechanical TKL keyboard. It's lightweight, travel-friendly, and features hot swappable GX mechanical switches, allowing you to personalize your typing feel. Whether you want tactile, linear, or clicky feedback, this keyboard has you covered. It also includes a detachable cable and offers both Bluetooth and Lightspeed wireless connectivity for flexible setups. The customizable LightSync RGB system lets you tailor your lighting effects, and the game mode switch prevents accidental key presses. Built for serious players, the Pro X is a premium choice for streamers or gamers who need a responsive and versatile keyboard. 5. HyperX Alloy Origins Core, best budget mechanical option. For those looking for quality on a budget, the HyperX Alloy Origins Core is a fantastic mechanical TKL board. It comes with your choice of HyperX Red, Aqua, or Blue switches, offering linear, tactile, or clicky responses. Its aircraft-grade aluminum body ensures long-term durability, and the keyboard includes adjustable tilt settings for added comfort. The compact design saves desk space, and the detachable USB-C cable makes it portable and easy to pack. It supports custom RGB profiles and macros via HyperX's Ingenuity software, making it ideal for users who want performance without overspending.